Modes of losing nationality. There are 5 modes. Now we'll see one by one. First mode is by release. There are few nation states and countries which will give applications to the individuals, and they can fill and give the applications. If the application is accepted, they will lose the citizenship. So it is a way by which the country will release the individual from that particular nationality or citizenship. So this is the first type. Next type is the country will strip you of the nationality. That is called as deprivation. Say for example, you have committed some serious crime against the nation state or some other serious heinous crime, then the nation state will remove your citizenship. So basically second mode is deprivation. The nation state will deprive you of the nationality. And the third mode is by renunciation. Say for example, I have dual nationality of Australia as well as UK. Now I have a choice. I can leave away Australia or UK. That leaving away is called as renunciation. The fourth mode is substitution. What do you mean by substitution? For something, we replace it with some other thing. Consider India. India will allow only single nationality, that is single citizenship. So if I am going to acquire US citizenship, now already what I am having, my Indian citizenship is replaced, substituted by US citizenship. That's what is called as substitution. Any product will have an expiry date. Like that, your nationality also have an expiry date. That is the final mode of losing nationality. Take US law. There is a domestic law stating that if you're going to continuously stay in some other country, then automatically your US citizenship and nationality will expire. So final mode of losing nationality is by expiration.